Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the carrier supports Esim on your exact device model and that the plan is provisioned. This prevents wasted steps. Next, open settings and locate cellular or mobile plans so you're ready. Scan the carrier QR code or copy the activation code into Add Cellular Plan or open the carrier app to begin enrollment. Make sure Wi-Fi or data is active. Without connectivity, the phone cannot reach the carrier to fetch the Esim profile. Once you scan or paste the activation code, follow prompts to name the line and set default voice or data use, because choosing wrong defaults causes routing issues later. You'll see a downloading or installing progress. If asked, pick a label like work or personal so you can manage it easily. After installation, restart your phone to finalize provisioning. This forces the modem to register with the carrier. Then verify the new Esim appears in cellular plans and shows signal. You finish by making a test call or using data to confirm registration. This proves the profile is active. If there's no service, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, restart the phone, and if needed, remove and re-add the Esim using the QR or activation code so the carrier can re-push settings. If issues persist, contact the carrier and provide the ICSID and device IMEI so they can verify provisioning. This often reveals backend mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.